Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today we're going to have a look at the Christmas song by the American jazz pianist and singer Nat King Cole. The song was written by Mel Torme and Robert Wells. Nat King Cole originally recorded the song back in 1946 with his trio. The version was not released, however, until 1989. But it is the 1961 recording that we commonly hear during the Christmas season, which actually isn't too dissimilar to his original trio version. The intention here is not to emulate the piano in any way on the recording, but just to give you an idea of a simple accompaniment to the song. The song is in the key of D flat major. A basic chord sheet will be in the description box below this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for instant notification of uploads. Okay, so here's an example of how I might do it.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. So I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways,